Alright guys, so I'm gonna teach you how to do the right and perfect caipirinha. First thing, you need to have the red lemon. Don't use the yellow lemon you have in the US or in Europe. It's not going to work. It's hard to find, but anyway, that's one of the main secrets. Second thing, I'm gonna cut it. And then attention that I remove the caps of both sides. Okay, and then when I cut now the inside, the main part, it's a little bit it can changes the flavor, so we are going to cut it like this, and then the inside part, okay, we remove it. So when I cut now, you're gonna see, yeah, no yellow thing, oh, no yellow white, I don't know. And again here I'm gonna cut that way, okay, right. Oops. So yeah, that's perfect. So this thing is what we don't want. Yeah, now it's clean. Then I can put it here. Second secret, the sugar. Okay, we are going to use cane sugar, and for one lemon we are gonna do one caipirinha for one lemon. You can use the standard soup spoon, and then you put like a little bit more, yeah, more than full one, and then two, like this. Yeah, it's a lot. Okay, not too much also. Okay, it's a little bit solid, sorry. Now better. Okay, like these, two of these. Okay, if you have heart problems, it's your problem. Now we have to smash it. Okay, so I'm gonna use a proper glass for caipirinha and just smash it. Oops, shit. So it's the pure juice with the sugar. I'm gonna show you the color. Yeah, so it's gonna be one thing, and that's the main part. If you can't squeeze it with a cocktail cup like this, you can just put the ice and then the cachaça, which should be a good cachaça for caipirinha. But I really prefer to use the cocktails because the shaker, because you have a better result with the sugar mixture. Okay, so in this way you have to keep moving the caipirinha every time. So I'm gonna transfer, and as you're gonna see at the glass, there is some sugar, and no problem, it's okay. All right, now we go ahead with the ice. So 5 blocks of ice. Okay, it's all here. And last thing, I'm gonna do as I usually do. I count to 10 in Portuguese, but not like 1, 2, 3. I say like 1001, 1002, because it's a little bit slower. If you have a cachaça with this valve here, the valve is gonna block the flow, so you count to 10 like I do in Portuguese. I don't know how you're gonna do, but we are gonna double check the milliliters we're gonna reach. Okay, so now in Portuguese: 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Oops. Ok. 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. All right. So you don't see, but I'm gonna put 80 milliliters, aliás, 80 milliliters of cachaça. Because sometimes you don't have this dose valve. So I do 1 lemon, 2 spoons of sugar, 80 milliliters of cachaça. Don't use P2. P2 we used to put fire on things. Velho Barreiro is well, my favorite, and it's cheap, and you can use 51, it is also cheap and good. If you go for more expensive cachaças, try the white ones, not the gold ones. If not, it's gonna change a lot the flavor, and it's gonna make it more powerful. So my caipirinha is here. Now we have to shake it. Easy part. Okay. Let me see if I haven't done any mistakes. Maybe I have. All right, so whoops, just it's good. So yeah, that's it. 80 milliliters, 80 ml, yeah, of cachaça. Whoops. That's it. And of course, to make it a little bit more beautiful, you can add more glass, no, more ices, more ices. Sorry, I'm sick and not good to speak. Now it is the perfect caipirinha, and you're not going to miss it. Saúde!